Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
All right, please note that the language and ideas presented on the show might not be suitable for everyone. If you're under 18, make sure your mom isn't around. If you're over 80, why is your mom around?
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
And on Cyrus Says, we meet Shraddha Sala, who's going to tell me about my destiny, and that too, without charging me a rupee, which is very interesting because she's a tarot card reader, a numerologist, as well as a Vastu expert. All this for free. Only on Cyrus Says.
Why follow your auntie's advice when you can follow Cyrus Says on Facebook and Twitter to stay updated about the latest shows?
Here on Cyrus Says, it's time to put a myth to rest. Drink from up. Who says that anymore? Drink from up. I can't bear it. When I ask somebody for a sip of water, and they sort of say, drink from up, I just get very affected and I start spitting inside the bottle. Okay, this happens when we work together on television or in a gym or places like that. And I cannot bear it anymore. Stop saying drink from up, drink from up. Okay, we're not dying here. Everybody's not got diseases. We're mostly clean. At least neck upwards, we're clean. So stop it. I will not drink from up. It's called Cyrus Says.
And that's what Cyrus says.
Hi Shraddha, sorry we have to do this 200 times because of electrical problems in India.
200 is a good number.
You think?
Yes,
I can't count
absolutely.
more than 4 or 5, so after that I just hope.
Numerologically speaking, it's a good number.
It is?
Absolutely.
I hope I have something to do with 200, damn it, I have no idea.
But it's not as good as 500, so if you want to take 300 more takes, we can.
But can I go low and have a good number because my numbers are
But if
normally
you go low, then how will you drink from up?
Ah! She's funnier than the comedian we had on the show before. All right, yeah, talking about drink from up, it's a real headache, man. Because they ask you to drink from up all the time and my hand shake and it falls all over my face.
But you know what? You have to change your mentality towards it, take it in a positive way.
Meaning?
Because when you're drinking from up, you're always on the top of things.
Why? You're a philosopher and a comedian.
So that's really
You're
good,
my
isn't
hero.
that?
You're my
Absolutely.
hero. I want to be you. Okay, Shraddha, let's talk about you. Let's start right here. Let's understand the differences. We had I used to do a show on television where we actually spoke to a numerologist and a tarot card reader separately.
Absolutely.
Right? So let's first put it out there. You are everything, apparently. I'm just going through your biodata and there's lots of different things.
Yes.
So first, who are you? And then let's distinguish.
Okay. I basically work with energies. It's all about energies. Every single
You're with
thing.
the government.
Also, very soon. But everything to do in this universe is energies.
Right.
Yeah, that's one power that's ruling you. And there are two kinds of energies.
It's the chi thing?
It's a combination of a lot of things. But we'll get there. I'll explain to you what it exactly is. And there are two kinds of energies. Do you know what they are?
Kinetic and the one with the gears.
And you fail again. It's called positive and negative energy.
Oh, good.
It's called positive and negative energies. Okay, so everything in this universe is ruled by a force, friction, frequency. When you understand positive and negative energies, you understand who you are as a person. You understand what you're giving out there to the universe. If you're giving out positivity, that's what you're going to get back. And if you're giving out negativity, that's what you're going to get back.
So it's got nothing to do with what you're saying. I mean, what one person is saying.
Absolutely
I could be saying to someone, not to you ever, you're an idiot.
It's coming back to
But I'm
you.
saying it lovely. No, but I might be saying it in a loving way.
Right.
Like how you talk to your pal.
Right.
Hey, idiot, stop it. That kind of thing. I'm saying, so it's not exactly what you say.
Not at all. But what you say is
it's
first coming back to you.
But I am an idiot. So that's
Absolutely.
not science.
Absolutely. No, it's not science, but that's called the law of attraction. Because if you're throwing out something there in life, it comes back to you. So if you follow my lead
Equal and opposite reaction.
Absolutely. If you follow my lead for just 30 seconds, you'll understand this entire science. So it starts with energies, they're positive and negative energies. Then there's something known as...
Sorry to interrupt, but
Tell
I'll
me.
do that a lot. But why do people die then, for example, who are innocent?
That is,
Like say in a plane crash.
You know what? You are the intuitive person out here because that was my next answer to you.
So, I'm not an idiot.
Absolutely
I'm
not.
part idiot. I'm
I
idiot.
think he's going to take over my job very soon.
No, numbers,
so
my God.
So that's my next question. That's the next answer to you. There's something known as destiny. Destiny is the day we're born and the day we're going to die, which we can't control. There's something known as karma. An accumulation of our past, present and future lifetimes. But there is something also known as free will.
But if you can't control all this, then what's the point?
So I'm coming to it. There's something known as free will. So out of 100%, there's 33, 33 and 33%. Free will are the choices that we make. I've chosen to come here and spend this 1 hour with you. That's my choice.
You're making me feel
Yeah.
pressure.
Yeah, that's my choice. That's what I did. In this free will, all these sciences affect us to a 30 to 40%, not more than that. I can change your name, I can make you wear stones, I can make you do whatever you want. But if you're not going to be thinking right, it's not going to work for you. Yeah? So it's a combination of everything put together to make it happen for you. The reason all these sciences exist is because it's a fact, it's there, and it does affect, but it's only 30 to 40%. So whoever thinks coming to anybody will change your life, it won't. Just like your fingers
So
intertwine.
30%, let me understand for the
Yes.
layman, 30% we can control by doing all
30
these
to
things.
40%.
60% we cannot change.
No, 30 to 40% of the 33%.
Oh my God.
Yes.
So that's what, 10%, 12%?
Yes, but that's a big percentage because a human brain is just used 1.5% out of 100.
Right.
Einstein used it 5%. So imagine how much more.
And he had
is
so
there.
much hair covering his brain.
Absolutely.
If he just had a haircut,
Absolutely.
the guy would have done so
Absolutely.
much better.
Imagine with you balding.
I am balding.
And not using that the brain with
I'm
the
the only guy I
lesser
know.
hair
I
on
walk
it.
around with my hand on my head now because I
So
don't.
that doesn't fly off.
No, because I'm so cheap, I can't have a hair weave. Not
Yeah,
that yet.
yeah.
It's expensive.
But
70,
you never
80
know.
grand.
After this show, maybe you'll just get so much more work because.
You think?
Yeah, you're doing so well.
But I
so.
thought I was quite positive as a person, but obviously I'm not. I'm finding out slowly. Yeah.
No, so basically,
So
what happens
12%
is,
again to surmise, 12% is coming to people like you who guide you for the
Yes.
12%. And you're saying that does make a difference.
No, you can't change your destiny. You can't change your karma.
Can I
So
win a
what-
medal in the Olympics, for example, if I was one of the contenders?
Absolutely.
With the 12%,
you
do I
can.
get a...
Absolutely, you can. Absolutely.
So it's like steroids.
Absolutely. Better than that. It's the biggest high that you have in your life.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can't control your destiny or your karma, but you can definitely control your free will. And when you understand this science and intertwine everything together, that's when we come out being a winner. So coming back to the first thing I told you, it's all about energies. It's the way you handle this.
But can a country have a karma? Can like a place and all that?
Um,
Can you say this is
It's-
India's karma or Europe's karma?
It's not India's karma, but it's the karma of the people who are there
Oh,
as Indians,
collectively.
collectively, yes. A country is always a collective
Do
thing.
we have a good karma?
Let's think positive. Yes, we do.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Oh God, please. I'm already depressed. That's why I don't like to go to people like that. I get scared.
Why do you get scared?
I don't know. What if they tell you things which aren't good?
So exactly what you're saying. If you're getting scared, if you're going to be scared, then scared is going to come back to you. Fear is going to come back
Oh,
to you.
I'm always scared.
Yeah. So then fear is going to come back to you. So you need
I'm
to
scared
change
watching
that.
comedy shows.
So you need to change that.
How do I change that? Have you
Change
seen
your
my
mindset.
wife?
Change
It's
your
not
mindset.
easy.
It's very easy.
Change my wife?
You said change your wife. I heard
No,
change my life.
I said, have you seen my wife? No, I can't change my wife. I'll be even more scared.
I
She's the
haven't.
man in the relationship. I can't do that. Okay, let's, and I don't mean that in
So there's a
sexist way.
feminine side to you
Oh,
too.
I'm very feminine.
Okay,
I'm very
great.
feminine. I'm a
That's
little
why
rough
the glares
though.
on the
I'm
hair?
probably like a lesbian
Okay.
because I'm a rough feminist.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what
So
I
that's great because that's exactly what you'll attract back, more women into your life.
Yes, that's my market.
That is right.
Martina Navratilova is on the phone right now,
Yeah, so
telling me
that's great.
my karma is coming in her direction.
So you're doing it. So you're doing it absolutely right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now I want to ask you one question because we must clear the deck on this immediately. Numerology is numbers.
Numerology is the science of numbers in
Yeah.
accordance to the planetary positions.
So it's the same as astrology where you
No,
look at
it's
like
not.
what time you're born and all
No,
that?
it's not. Astrology is, you're actually answering the questions yourself because astrology is related to time.
Right.
Numerology is related to your date of birth.
Okay.
In astrology, you can actually go crazy because you have to follow it on a regular basis. But numerology, once I have your date of birth, your entire life is in front
It's
of
only
you.
date of birth.
It's only your date of
Then
birth.
why do they change their names and all? What's that got to do
Because
with
what
it?
happens is in numerology, because I can't change that, your alphabets also have a certain numerological value attached to it. You know when they say Rashi, say Naam Likho.
Right.
So Rashi basically means one of your sun signs.
Right.
Each planet has a color, a date, a number, an aspect, a personality level attached to it. So when I'm dealing with your name, there are certain numbers that give the energy of your name. The first form of languages was the Roman numbers.
Right.
Yeah.
Huh.
From that we got symbols. From that we got letters. From that we got alphabets. From alphabets, letters.
We also got skirts.
Yes, and the sarongs and the tie-ups.
Yeah. And the
Absolutely.
men were wearing it.
Absolutely.
That
yeah.
was a different world,
Yeah,
man.
and I think you've worn it one of your shows.
I
Yeah.
wear it just again out of cheapness because I think if
Because
you,
it just saves-
It's a one-piece thing. You don't buy more
Absolutely.
stuff.
No stitching.
Yeah, and
no
it's
colour
very
change.
convenient to go to the toilet anywhere,
Absolutely.
anytime.
Absolutely.
Sometimes where
it's
you
like
are.
you're carrying an air conditioner with you wherever you go.
I love the Romans. I'm a
yes.
big fan.
Absolutely, I agree.
All right. Sorry to keep interrupting. So numerology.
So numerology is the science of numbers,
Yeah.
and with your date of birth, I have your entire life in front of me. Name change is only used to balance it
and that's
if
the
you need to.
12%.
That's the 12% out of the 33. Yes.
When we do that, when celebrities or
Mm-hmm.
people do that, change the name, this is what they're affecting. I'm just trying to figure this out.
Sorry?
Supposing my name is Arun Mehra.
Yeah.
And I make it Arun A-O-O-N.
Yes.
I'm actually hoping to improve my 12% only, which is controllable, right?
Yes. Yes.
Am I right? Yeah.
But that's not something everybody really literally understands. They think they're changing a lot.
No, that's what I'm saying. Because they think, okay, the name changed and everything is just going to change. It's not exactly like that.
It doesn't.
Right?
In fact, I can change your name to Aruna also, but that won't make you a woman or anything. It'll still...
Our show's about gender bias, for some reason.
You really need to first work on yourself, and then all this comes into play. As much as I love my work, but it's first about you.
But Shraddha, have you changed your name?
No, I haven't. Luckily,
This
I
is the
was born.
You
I was
obviously
born
studied
numerologically correct.
So you didn't want to put an extra A and this
I
and
didn't
that?
need to.
You didn't need to?
I didn't need to.
Okay, and now what is tarot card?
So tarot is the energy. There are these 74 cards, and each card depicts a certain point or a certain place or a certain energy in your life. And when we place a card, there's an energy between the card reader. And there's an energy between the person who's sitting across me and the cards. And they are absolutely bang on.
What if you're sleeping at the time?
We'll wake you up.
Okay, so you have to be awake and paying attention, right?
Definitely. Because if you were sleeping at this interview, it wouldn't be happening, right?
No, I don't know. I just trying to find out all the rules because I ask all the stupid questions, and if I'm paying money for it,
I'm going to be answering exactly how you ask me.
Yeah, I have to be careful.
Yes.
Okay, so
we make you
so
sleep
your whole
after
thing
that.
is about opposite action
we make
coming
you sleep
back.
After that.
Oh, don't worry. I hear my own show and fall asleep in 5 minutes. Things happen. So there's tarot, there's numerology, and so do you also do astrology?
Astrology, I don't really, I've studied it, I know it, but I don't really do it because I think I don't want to give anybody a crutch. I don't want them coming back to me every
And these general
month.
observations that we see in the paper, I find them very generally.
They are general.
When they just say you have in a positive mood today,
yes,
your career will go in the right direction.
Every
it's just
Aquarian
general.
can't be in a positive mood today.
How can
it's not possible. Yeah,
it's just,
but there's always something that someone will pick up on. So
I think maybe we just read what we want to read, and then we push our energies in that direction.
Absolutely. So if you've heard that, okay, I'm going on a vacation this weekend, you'll just push it all the more to make sure you go on that vacation.
Or try and cancel it because you want to spend money. Well, depending on your perspective.
Exactly.
Fair enough. Okay, now I want to talk about you. Now that we've understood everything.
You've missed out a very important
Please
part
tell
of
me,
what I do, and that is Vastu.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Vastu is a science of directions.
Sorry again, but Feng Shui is different, right?
Absolutely different. Feng Shui is a Chinese science. It really doesn't work in India. Their angle of...
Because they're trying to take Arunachal Pradesh and we're not allowing
absolutely.
it. Something like that.
Yeah.
It's true.
Yeah, and they're putting crystals all over the mountains.
So what do you say?
And the tortoise to walk up.
This is like racism. The Chinese science can't work here.
No, I'll tell you why it doesn't work here.
They need a permit.
Because in India, when we see our 9 planets, and say for example we take Saturn, which is Shani. Shani is a god for us. It's very different. The energy of Shani
I was born on Saturday.
There you go. The energy of Shani is very powerful. Okay, but in China, Shani number 8 is termed as their lucky number, so it has completely different significances. Out here it is a little bit of a fear. Out there it is complete rejoice. So Feng Shui doesn't really, and Feng Shui is only like putting in a few crystals or clearing an energy or doing this or doing that. But for me,
they don't change the room configuration.
No, not in Feng Shui. No, not in Feng Shui. Feng Shui is
so architects don't benefit from Feng Shui.
Not at all. No, they don't.
Okay.
The Feng Shui person will benefit from it. And then maybe the architect has a cut in it, and then he.
For giving you a crystal ball, I hate to use the word.
You never know.
Yeah.
Maybe it's an expensive.
But there are lots of people I know people who follow it here in Bombay as well. Huh?
They do, of course.
When they're making their homes and stuff.
People can follow anything and everything, but there's a practicality to everything that you're doing.
Okay.
So Vastu is a hardcore science.
Right.
The earlier days, if you would have watched one of those earlier movies and serials, they have a Tulsi Ped, and then they have this 4 corners, and then the 4 corners.
Yeah.
That was Vastu Shastra, because the Tulsi Ped is your Brahmastan. It's your center of your house. And the 4 corners are energy divided equally into all the parts of the house. So
technically it should be inside the house.
The Ped?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, if you land up in Cyrus's house, he's going to have a Tulsi Ped right in the middle.
Technically, it should be if it's a centrifugal force.
When you have a courtyard, yes. So maybe in your building, we can put one.
My building. They don't get along in my building, first floor to second floor.
Maybe outside somewhere, we'll figure out a place.
One tree will cause full division in society.
You'll have to come every day and put water. Riots. You'll have to come every day and put water on the Tulsi and then take 7 rounds.
It'll be something to do. 7 rounds may be difficult for me at my weight, but I'll do 2 and call somebody to fill in. Yeah.
That's good enough.
Okay, sorry, I keep interrupting. You're talking about this whole science, which is exact.
Vastu is a complete science. It's a science of directions. If you take a compass and you put it on the table, it's going to immediately give you north, south, east, west. How does that happen? A compass is man-made. That happens because there is so much magnetic force in the universe. You take that compass down under 10,000 feet, it's still going to give you the same directions. These directions have a certain equation and a certain energy that's happening around us. So each room, each place, each aspect is based on a quality and a difference of energy level. So what Vastu does is it balances it
But how do you read that?
through a compass.
Through a normal compass?
Yes, absolutely.
You get the energy level.
Absolutely. You get the directions of the room. Vastu is the science of directions. You're not paying attention.
No, I'm paying attention. I'm not able to understand.
Okay, I'm going to take a quick quiz.
Go
What
ahead.
is numerology in one word?
In
The
numerology, science of numbers. You just take the
Supers.
date,
Astrology?
take the birth, and
Okay.
and you have everything.
Astrology?
Astrology is a study of the planet's configuration, and numerically you
In
look
accordance to
at
birthday and
birthday and mummy,
huh.
birthday and other things.
What is Vastu?
Vastu is an exact science. You have to have
No.
a tulsi pedi basically in the middle of your house, and you have to have a friend who's fit to walk 7 times around and
You
water it.
completely fail.
Failed.
Yeah, totally. Like seriously.
Damn.
So you're just not paying attention.
I'm going feng shui. I like Chinese.
Yeah,
people.
he's
They're
going
very
French. You're
nice.
going to see turtles.
They never ask me
The
questions.
The next.
Yeah, they just give you 2 crystal balls and say, mine are bigger than yours. That's
Yeah,
it.
exactly. And they make more noise.
Sorry. Okay, back to Vasu.
Yeah.
Let me understand.
So
No,
it's
I
a
want to know
science
how
of
you control
directions.
energy.
You control energy by the power of your mind, okay, by your thoughts, and in and around you by how you place certain things in certain different angles.
So why
you
did
know?
they say something shouldn't face the mirror and something should face the sea? And
Because what happens is, as I told you, not if you're going to pay attention for
Yeah,
2
I'm
minutes,
paying
and I'm going to tell you. So there's north, south, east, west. Yeah.
That I know, Shraddha.
Yeah. So because
That
you're
is
going,
the part
because
I
you're
do
going
know.
on stopping me there. Let me go further and
all
tell
right.
you what north, south, east, west does. Okay. So take for example your northeast is a lower zone and your southwest is a higher zone. So when you're placing a mirror in the northeast, it reflects the correct energies as opposed to if you're doing it in the southwest. Okay, so that's how it is. Now your southeast is your Agni zone, your fire zone. So that's where
Is it good or bad?
it's very good. How can you do
For
without
Parsis,
fire?
it's very good.
It's very but,
Yeah. Then?
but fire is also very good because you can either actually it's good or bad. It really depends on you.
On
You know,
you.
we can't judge it. You can either burn your finger with fire or you can cook food on it. So it really depends on you.
What if you're cooking your finger?
Yeah. You
Okay.
could, yeah.
So that's Agni. And this one, what about North?
North is water. So exactly how we have 5 elements. Yeah. Water, air, fire.
But we have 4
spirit.
directions and 5 elements. Something's missing.
No, because the directions are actually 9. There's north, there's south, there's east. So it says there's northeast, there's southwest, there's
Okay.
southeast, and there's northwest.
I'm going to need a lot of time over this one.
Absolutely.
Please don't ask me any more questions.
Not asking
What
you
we'll do is
anymore.
we'll take a break. I'm going to learn properly
Yes.
and then we'll come
do
back.
and then we will rapid fire.
Oh
round.
God, no, please. Just, I...
You seem like a number 7. A birth number 7. When is your birthday?
Day?
Day.
7, yeah, August.
Okay.
You know that?
I figured it out
How?
based on your energy and the way you're talking.
What, all number 7s pull the Adam's apple?
No, your energy
That's
seems
scary.
such. Is it?
How do you know, I mean?
Yeah. Don't you see the witch horns on me?
No, there's no witch horns. Don't worry. All right, we'll take a break. We'll come back. I am now a little paralyzed with fear, but that's not different from my normal routine. So we'll come back and talk with Shraddha and understand more about the science and how you got into it.
Hey friend, so if you're listening to a podcast right now, you're probably some kind of a nerd. A nerd at heart, at least. So maybe, just maybe, you might like another podcast about nerds, by nerds, and for nerds.
It's called Geek Fruit, a community to unite estranged geeks from across India and later on the world. We talk about television, movies, science fiction, adventure, fantasy, etc. Anything nerdy, it's all here on Geek Fruit. You can catch a fresh episode every Monday and a retcon episode every Tuesday.
And you can check us out on iTunes, Audioboom, Stitcher, or any of your favorite podcast apps. Like my favorite podcast app, the IVM Podcast app. Give me my money, IVM.
Good plug.
Happy listening, you nerds.
All right, back here with Shraddha Sala, and she's going to tell us a little bit more about how this whole thing happened.
Yeah.
Because first, let me understand one thing: the Vastu and all this is only in India, or like you said,
No.
China has their own thing, so it's all geographically sort of divided.
No, it's not. I do.
Can I do it in America, for example? My sister
Absolutely,
lives there, so
absolutely you can.
does it work?
Completely, because it's north, south, east, west there too.
Right. See
Yeah.
what a dumb guy I turned out to be.
The directions everywhere you go, so absolutely.
So
you
we can use it in China,
Yes, you can.
and we
use it
can
in
overtake
China.
Feng Shui,
Absolutely.
and we can win the battle of Indochina.
Are you talking about we as in are we getting into partnership? Because you said like 3 times.
But now,
But you can if you
what
want
will
to.
I bring to the table? I'm like your donkey.
You can take
I'll
away.
carry your bags.
You can take away all their crystal balls and run away.
Okay, this sounds terrible. My parents would be so proud of me. My son, assistant.
So I can do the rest. You can just grab all the
Okay,
crystal
stop
balls
it.
and
No,
run.
it's becoming,
No? Okay,
it's
stop.
becoming
Yeah.
disgusting, and I'm getting
Yeah.
scared because I might just do it. Okay, Shraddha, let's go back now a little bit in time and understand how did you get into all this? And firstly, you're one of the few people I think who actually across the board
Yes.
when it comes to what is the right word for this? Clairvoyance? No. What is the right word?
I don't
the
even know what
future.
word you're asking.
No, the kind of business we're in here is...
Right. No, so basically, as I told you, it's about
Energies,
energies.
yeah.
It's about me making me understand how you can fall in love with yourself, changing your mind,
I'm a Leo.
changing your mind, changing your mindset, and also trying to spread positivity in and around you. Yeah.
Okay, so, but let's go back to your life now.
Yes.
What were you doing, say, in college and all? How did this all happen?
I was in SNDT. I studied media.
Juhu?
Yes, in Juhu.
Oh, I used to park my car outside
Of
and honk
course, I used to
loudly.
see you.
Yeah?
of course.
And then
You
ignore
bought
me.
me a
And then-
sandwich. No, you bought me a sandwich also.
No,
one
that's
day.
not me.
But,
No,
but,
no.
but the minute it was done, you ran away and I had to pay for it.
Oops, that's me. Yeah.
So it was you.
All right.
So I was in SNDT and I studied media and photography and...
But there's no background in the family for all this?
No, there isn't. No,
So
there
where did you
isn't.
pick up, say, Vastu?
So
and-
I used to go out with my husband and...
Also post-marriage?
Post-marriage, yes, very much post-marriage. I put my hand into everything from designing, into computers, into this, into that, into everything because I'm a number one. So I guess I had to go through all of that to understand where I really belong. And every time I went out with my husband, he was very fascinated by numerology. So he was having a conversation with everybody and asking them, okay, whenever you speak, like, oh, what's your date of birth? Okay, this means this. And I was not part of that conversation. So after having my second baby and I was home, I decided to study. So I said, why not study numerology? So I had the sir coming home and it picked up my interest. And from there, it's been 11 years and I haven't looked back. The only thing I did follow was one step after the other, which is very important in life. So after numerology, I said, there's more. Then there was tarot. Then I said, there's more. Then there was Vastu. Then I said, there's more. Then I got into mind power and
What is
quantum
mind
physics.
power?
Mind power is actually included in every session that I do. It's trying to understand you. So basically, numerology, tarot, and all is for you to understand because you're kind of reading the cards and all. What I'm doing is playing with your mind and making it into a more positive direction, into
Or
a more
negative.
positive person. No, I don't know that word.
But people can do that.
Maybe, but I don't understand that. That's something I haven't learned.
Can you
and I
get my
don't
cook
want to.
Praveen to come on time?
Absolutely.
Like if I give
If you wake up in the morning and manifest it and think he'll be giving you good food, he will be
He
there
gives
on
good
time.
food. But he
He'll be
keeps
giving
killing
you-
off
he'll
people
be
in his
giving you-
village.
He'll be...
Baba bhi nahi aa sakta hai aaj. Koi mar gaya. I mean, the whole village is dead now. I'm telling you, there's another village. Because 85 people have died in the last 2 years when he doesn't turn
So
up.
maybe we should go there and spread some positivity. Maybe
No,
there's
he's
really
just
something
lying.
wrong with the
Shraddha,
village.
he's lying.
No,
The
see,
village
again,
is
that's
fine.
a wrong mindset.
I'm sure.
Yeah, you're manifesting him to lie.
No, the man is a corrupt
You
force.
need to know, I'm with him.
Why are you taking his side? I'm paying for this. All right. No, so jokes apart. So
it
mind.
went from one.
This
yeah,
is like
so then-
psychiatry of some sort.
Yeah, so it's a mixture of psychiatry, it's a mixture of your energies, it's a mixture of quantum physics. Quantum physics is again a science to do with all the power. It's basically physical.
I know my quantum physics. By now you know I know.
So it's everything put together, and that's what's got me here. The only thing, as I told you earlier, that I did right was I didn't stop. I just went on and on and on, and I practiced what I preach. So I used the science on me, I used the numbers on me to make it better, I used the cards on me to make myself better.
So at cocktail parties with your friends and all that, you must be quite the draw, no? They must be always asking you questions.
that's because of my pretty looks, not because of my work.
Fair enough. I'm talking about the same gender as well. Same gender must be coming to you and saying,
Absolutely,
ye
but
hua,
I
wo
don't.
hua.
But I prefer not to talk work when I'm out because I'm
But
anyways
don't they
doing
do that? Because I can imagine I would do that.
They do,
If you were a
yes,
friend of mine
yes.
and I had access to you, I'd keep
Yes,
asking you.
Yes, they do.
So what do? Not now, Monday, 10 o'clock.
No, not at all. There's a polite and nice way. Everyone's not as direct as you. There's a polite and nice way
After
of.
2-3 drinks, they are. That's the problem.
there's a polite and nice way of saying
Pushing them
or
off.
turning it to something else. Yeah.
Okay.
But so it's just led on and on and on, and that's what
Okay,
I'm
coming back to the numbers that you just mentioned, you said you're a number 1 and I'm a 7, for example.
Yes.
So now, number 1, are there general characteristics or each number 1 is different?
No, so what happens is, yes, there are general characteristics because number 1 is ruled by the energy of the sun. The sun is that one planet giving light to the entire universe. The originality, the leadership qualities, the power, the force.
You nicely took the best number.
Yeah, because
I gave everybody 7. Mereko 7 mila.
No, 7 is also a good number.
Yeah?
It's
What's a not good number?
I don't know about not good because as I told you, I
Good
don't deal with
answer,
anything
good
negative.
answer.
Yeah, everything is.
So one is what,
great.
like a creative leader force.
Yes, because it's the sun, and you basically
Famous
what
people
happens
in
is
one?
Dhirubhai Ambani, Bill Gates.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that
Mukesh
kind of
Ambani.
visionaries.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So every single number has an energy, a planet related to it. You have to just connect yourself with the planet. So if you're a number 1 and ruled by the sun, think of yourself as the sun. You can give light to the universe. You can give energy. You can be confident. You can be alone. You need to be very hardworking. The sun comes out every day. It never says, I'm going on a vacation today.
But it hides sometimes.
It hides sometimes, but it's still there.
Yeah.
It's because you can't see it. It's not really hiding.
Oh, so now it's my fault?
No, as in, okay, we can't see it. But it's
Is
not
number
really
7 a
hiding.
lazy number?
Number 7 is, it's not really a lazy number. It's a number that goes with the flow. So if the flow is calm today, you'll be calm. If it's not, it'll go extreme. And it's a very intuitive number. There's an inner voice
That's
inside you
true.
which talks.
Which is,
Damn
it! Stop talking. I'm
Which
trying
is
to
just
sleep.
really talking. Yeah. So what happens is it's not only your date of birth, it's your date of birth, and there's your destiny number, which is an addition of all your numbers put together, including your year. That's very strong because that's where life is going to take you. Then there's an entire calculation that we get to know of. Like with you, what few turning points in your life? What happened in 2002? A turning point.
My
in your
son
life.
was born.
Okay. 2010.
10. I can't remember.
Think.
I don't know.
Maybe work-wise, something you did new.
Jalak Dikla Raja, World Cup T20, something like that. Yeah, those were different things.
You'll come to it. Then there was 2015.
15. I have no idea what happened.
So this is homework.
Okay. No, a new contract was 14, I think. And
This is homework for you. You get down. So basically, the
now you're
turning
scaring
points-
me again because
the
I don't know
turning
what's
points
happening.
in each person's life, which also come into numerology. Then once we get to know your blueprint, there's your name vibration that we play with. Your signature plays a very important role because your signature is your significance of you, what you're trying to signify to the universe. So that little twist and turn in that is really, really important. It's actually therapeutic.
But no one can understand my signature.
So that's the reason it's
At
so
the moment, Jim
complicated.
Khana, the waiter keeps telling
So-
me, "Ye kya ho gaya?
so-
Gir gaya is pe."
So that is where the complication comes. If you just clear that out, you'll have this crystal clear mind in front of you.
Okay.
And then there are gemstones that we work on.
That is now the 12%. Oh, do we have a gemstone? I belong to a gemstone? Is it like that?
You are a gem yourself.
I thought you were going to just say stone, no gem. You had a chance there, Shraddha, to kill it.
No.
So, no, let me understand again. So, yeah, because they say this is your gemstone, right? They say like
No,
ruby
there is no your gemstone. So what the way I work is a calculation of all these things put together, and what's missing in your life would be the gemstone that I would give you. Why would I give you something that you already have? That's where people go wrong. It's very commercial knowledge that they have. Just because you're a number one doesn't mean you need a ruby. I work differently.
So ruby is a number one
yes,
stone.
because it's ruled
What's
by
7?
the sun. 7 is a couple of stones put together.
Like Mick Jagger and the other guy?
No. No. A number, Ketu, your Neptune, which is number 7, which is also known as Ketu, comes under the sun.
So that's why we're good swimmers.
Yes.
Is that true?
No, it didn't make sense, but I just wanted to. Yeah, so there's a lot. There's basically a lot to it. So one session with me, the first time you come, almost lasts 1 to 1.5 hours. So everything comes into it.
Do we get to sit?
Absolutely.
So what are those
With
punishing
green tea,
things where you
with
stand
green
and
tea,
listen?
with green tea, which I am not clearly
I
getting
don't like
today.
green tea.
Yeah,
you
which
want green tea? We have green tea.
I'm kidding.
I don't drink tea or coffee.
No.
Yeah.
We have everything else too.
I've not drunk alcohol since December 24th. I
Alcohol
basically
you're
drink
not
Kala
talking
Katta, Tang, and that kind of stuff.
We have rose for you, the rose sharbat.
I'm not that childish. I'm more like 9, 10. Yeah. So, can we run through the numbers just for a second? Have a general overview for our
sure.
listeners.
Yes.
So 1 you said was
1 is ruled by the sun, 2 is ruled by the moon.
no, and leadership and
So there's originality, leadership qualities, power, focus, hard work.
Right.
2 is ruled by the moon. The moon is a planet which shows you phases. The full moon and the crescent moon. Today, your high tide and low tides are all caused by the moon. So similarly, the human body is made up of 70% of water. And that's the reason the moon has a direct effect on the body and the system.
and this played a very important part for David Hasselhoff in Baywatch.
Yes.
Because he had to check high tide, low tide. I'm number 2, I'll find out, don't worry. Boom.
yeah.
Oh,
So,
sorry.
yeah.
Jokes about 3.
So 3 is ruled by Jupiter, which is a planet of growth and abundance. There's knowledge, there's creativity. 4 is ruled by Uranus, also known as Rahu, which is a calculating point. 4 is a little bit of a hurdle where you need to understand what you're going through and then, analyze it and then go forward. Number 5 is an excellent number. It's ruled by Mercury. It's all about business, focus, your mindset, power, real estate, construction, finance. Number 6 is one of the most beautiful numbers that we have. It's ruled by Venus. Venus is everything to do with entertainment, media, PR. The reason
I'm a number
movies-
6 in the total.
Yeah.
I'm number 7 in the thing.
You're number 6
all the
in
numbers
total.
together come to 6.
Really?
Yeah. We had one other long time ago, somebody
Okay.
calculated.
So that's great. So Venus is in
So I'm
fact
6 and
everything.
7.
Okay, so you're 7 and 6.
7 and 6,
Yeah.
yeah.
So Venus is basically everything about your entertainment, media, PR. So you're really in the right field. If you were thinking of considering of changing fields, you're not.
Would I make a good woman?
Yes, you would, because Venus is a feminine energy.
That's what I thought. That's
Venus
what I
is
think
a
I'm more
feminine
female than
energy,
male. It's about time I
I
tell
have
the
to
truth.
tell you this about Venus, which is surprising to everybody. The reason our movies are released on a Friday is because Friday is the day for Venus, Shukra. And,
Oh, is that?
And yes, and long ago,
But even
when
Hollywood
somebody-
does it. They also Friday release. Yeah.
Maybe they
Is that a
figured out the
coincidence?
energy of Venus. No, even Hollywood believes a lot in astrology and in numbers and in planetary positions. So I don't know if they do it or not because I've really not been there on a release. But yeah, so in Bollywood there was somebody who probably started this trend that when should movies be released, and they said Friday because it's Shukra and it's Venus. Saturday is one of my no, after 6 comes 7. Sorry,
Yeah.
we skipped you out. So 7 is
Forgot about me.
so 7 is
The forgettable
Neptune.
number.
7 is Neptune, it's Ketu. The thing about 7 is as long as you focus on your goal, you'll reach there. You will see these hurdles. It's like a race.
Oh God.
Yeah. You need
That's
to
why I had
jump.
pimples till 35.
Yeah, you need to jump over them, but focus on your goal and you'll reach there. Yeah.
But what if you not sure what the goal is? What if your goal is very low? Like, can I get a sandwich?
No, so then again you remember the first thing, drink up, drink
Drink
high.
up.
Yeah. Drink up, drink high, and you'll reach there.
Huh.
Yeah. 8 actually is a scary number for everybody, but for me, it's one of my favorite. It's Saturn, it's Shani. Shani is the strongest planet that you have. Its gravitational force is 95 times stronger than the one of the sun. So the way Shani
Is that
affects
so?
you, yes. The way Saturn affects you, no other energy can. So when people say Shani hai and sare sati
Why is
chal
the
raha hai-
negative thing about Shani in movies
in
and all
India,
that?
they've just made it very negative. I don't know why.
It's not
I'll,
right?
I'll tell you why it's negative. Because Shani, like the number 8, which I'm showing you right now, drawing it in the air, there is no in between. So Shani basically, because it's like an infinity 8, there is no in between. It either takes you to rock bottom or it gets you up. The minute you get negative and go low, it only pulls you down. It's like a vacuum. But the minute you start thinking positive and go high, there's no level for it to reach. Yeah. So for me, it's my favorite number. It's one of the strongest dates, Saturn, and it can change your life around.
But Indian subculture, we've tried to focus a lot, at least in the media and movies and all, on this Shani being the negative thing.
Negative thing.
So it's a wrong
It's
interpretation.
absolutely wrong because the more you focus on it being negative, the more
it
it will
becomes
become
like
negative, and that's the reason it's become so negative. But the minute you touch the positive end, you have a magic wand in your hand.
Okay.
It can change your life around overnight. It is that strong in energy.
So I have to keep saying my wife thinks I'm attractive, and then it'll actually happen.
Why don't you turn by saying, I think I'm attractive? The day you fall in love
I
with
don't want to
yourself.
lie. So
The day you fall in love with yourself is when.
Oh, I'm in love with
everything
myself.
else-
Jokes.
Yeah. So you know,
I spend too much time with myself now. I'm thinking of finding somebody else.
you should. Yeah.
It's a bit late for that now.
You never know.
8, 9.
8, 9. 9 is ruled by Mars. Mars is a planet of heat and fire. Heat and fire basically means if you lock yourself in a room, you're only going to burn. So anybody ruled by Mars needs to be out there releasing their energies, channelizing it before you get to anything else, channelizing it in the right way. Yeah. So say, for example, if you're not doing anything, go to the gym, go for a walk, read a book, do something, because Mars can't just sit still.
The devil's workshop thing, idle mind.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Is there any more numbers? What was 0?
0 is infinity. So it starts
Can you
from
have
there.
0 as a number?
You can have anything you want as a number.
Okay.
Yeah, but in front of 0 and behind 0, you always add something. So if you're adding 0 and 1, so it becomes a 1.
So politely tell me you can't have 0.
Yeah.
Your numbers are 1 to
So-
9. Idiot.
No, of
Right?
course you can. So if you do 0 and 1, it becomes a 1. If you do 1 and 0 becomes a 10,
10.
which again becomes a 1.
Right.
Yeah.
Will you stop burying me with your numbers? It's just bullying after some time. It's not fair. People will say stop it.
Do you know about my brand?
No, I'm trying to get there.
Okay.
Please tell us about your brand.
Okay, so basically it's called as I Love Me. I have a tattoo also on my back with I Love
Sounds
Me.
like my adolescence, but in another way. Yeah.
I'm also going to be writing a book very soon. I'm in the midst of it. The reason we call it I Love Me is because if you can't love yourself, you can't love anything at all. So it first starts from yourself. So on Valentine's Day, next time send yourself a rose, fall in love with yourself, and then let's get out there.
At last, my card will be accepted. Can you, my dear Cyrus, I love you. Yes.
Yeah. So that's
I love
it's a-
me.
I
Sounds
love
good.
me. So it's a
Yeah.
beautiful logo.
Do we have
and it's-
low self-esteem in our country? You think a lot of that?
I think it's not about low self-esteem. You have lower self-esteem days. So some days you're low
Yeah.
and some days you're really high.
Why is that? Some days you feel like a king, and some days you really. There's no reason for that.
No,
As
the
in-
reason is again your positive and negative mindset. It's
No,
the
I
way
mean,
you wake
in
up.
your mind, you don't wake up with a problem which is causing you to be up or down sometimes, but you just feel better energy one day and less energy the other day.
No, it actually is an accumulation of your thoughts
But
while
we
you're
don't know
sleeping,
consciously.
which you don't know. It's a subconscious state of mind. Then when you wake up, it's the way you start your day. If you stumble upon something the minute you wake out of bed, your entire day snowballs like that because
Really?
because you start thinking like that till you don't stop and say, you know what, I'm going to stop here. I'm going to correct myself and I'm going to change this.
What if you
energy."
wake up and there's a strange woman in your bed?
Then it's only going to go positive and you probably get more stranger women by the end of the night.
Yeah, right. Back to my own Valentine's. First she tells me write to yourself on Valentine's Day. Then we discuss women in bed. Come on, this is not going to happen.
I did not discuss it. You did. I just answered.
I was just
you
trying to be
back.
positive. Coming back
Yeah.
to the brand. So you're going to write a book now, which will be...
It's in the midst of it.
I think
Yes.
A lot of people will be interested. Like I can't
Absolutely.
think of a single person, unless they're purposely trying to be snooty, who will not react to you when you say, I do this is what I do, I talk about energies, and everyone, because we're all selfish people, will all want to know at the end of the day.
But I tell you what, I'm going to just turn this a little bit. I don't attract those kind of people in my life.
No, I don't mean selfish in that sense. What I mean is everybody wants to know about themselves.
Absolutely.
We'd love to. There's no one who doesn't, right?
No, it's a very interesting topic,
Yeah,
and
so-
there's a lot to it.
Yeah.
We should increase the time of this interview.
No,
for
we're
at least
nearly
5
done.
to
That's
6
what I want to.
hours
So
because-
what about the book? What's the book going to be?
No, so the book is again going to be called I Love Me, and it's a lot to do. It's I teach this manifestation course. It's this mind power course that I teach people, corporates and one-on-one.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's all about understanding energies, how to turn negative energies. Because if I just say negative and positive, it doesn't make sense. How to turn negative energies into positive energies, and then from there are certain things that you do. Then there's a little bit of a meditation, and then there's more that happens. So that's going to come into the book. Then it's going to be on a daily basis of how to stay positive and what to do and what to do. There are no pages in the book because again, if you have pages, you're kind of restricting.
Okay, now I've lost my mind.
I'll tell you why. Because when you open the book, you should be able to see any page and just feel good about yourself. Even if you open that same page,
so you're not
how many more
numbering
times?
them.
Not numbering them.
That's irony actually, because you're a numerologist
Yes,
and you're not numbering the pages.
Yeah. Because
Yeah,
you do,
Premchand.
Yeah. Because then it again comes to mind power, where you just want to open it and you want to feel good about something one morning. Why do you can look at anything
Very
you
good
want.
point, yeah.
Yes. So it's differently put, but let's wait for it to come out of this. You'll just copy my idea.
No, I won't. No, I won't. But I may come from a consultation when it's Diwali time and we have those low
Bonus, the bonus, this
low
thing,
rates.
buy one, get one
Yeah,
free.
that
Yeah.
exactly that. Yeah.
You'll get Archana to buy one and you'll take
yeah.
the free.
Yeah, exactly. Number 7 is free on Saturday or whatever. I don't know. We'll work out something. Shraddha, you've been very nice. Is there anything else you want to talk about? You're also a mother to 2 children. You have a
Yes.
normal life as well. So what is the work hours like?
The work hours there are no work hours actually. I'm working 24/7. I mean, I think being a mom is the biggest job that you have.
Mm-hmm.
So I do that. I travel a lot for Vasu. I'm traveling every 3 days.
My God.
Yes,
This
every
is to
3
meet
days.
clients and stuff?
Yes, because I have clients in Delhi, in Dubai, all over. So you have to travel for that. So in Goa, I'm doing Vasu. I do a lot of hotel projects, and
So those are long things. You'll sit there and watch while they build things?
No,
Or you just give them a plan and...
I just go there. I tell them what to do, and then I'm done.
All right.
Yeah, and then the rest of the day is for me.
But then you have to come back and check they've done it correctly. I can imagine they put the window in the wrong place. The whole thing has to be
No,
started
so there's a
again.
process to it. There's a process to
But
it.
have you
There's
seen
a
the
three-
kind of people, the architects are all great, well-educated, well-heeled, all that. And then the people who come and break things, have you met them?
But then we'll rejoin them again. Why
God.
should we be negative?
I know, you're right. They're lovely people.
Yeah.
I love them all.
Yeah.
I love me. I love them.
Yeah.
I love their children.
I also-
And occasionally I love their wives.
Yeah, so my kids are great. My husband's great. I mean, we have a
How
great
old are
life.
the kids?
The kids are 10 and 12.
So they obviously understand all this now.
Absolutely.
So
they manifestate everything
so
that they do.
They probably have a proper sort of idea about energies and...
Absolutely, and they manifestate everything that they do. So if they're going for their sports day, they'll already visualize the race in their head, and they're surely going to win it.
Right.
Because you've already kind of.
But even if
seen
they
the
don't
vision
win,
out
they
there.
remain in a happy
They
state.
do.
I think that's the more
Definitely.
important
That
thing.
is more important. Yes,
Yeah.
that is more important. Yeah. So
Excellent.
they are happy. They are positive children.
So-
I also, sorry to interrupt
No,
you.
please.
But I don't know if that's mentioned, but I also run a food company.
It is mentioned. And
It
if
is
I
mentioned.
bothered to read properly, I would have mentioned it.
Yeah.
How do you have time for that? So somebody else
It's
does
a
it?
passion. No, I started it. So if you've been to PVR or Inox or
Only
in
from
the past-
outside because it's very expensive, the tickets.
yes.
yeah.
And if you buy my product, it's a little more.
My God.
Yeah,
It's
so-
either your product or the movie. Luckily, I'll take the product because you know the standard of movies.
We'll get you the product
Yeah.
FOC just for you.
Okay. So what
please
is it?
go
What
watch
do we make?
So basically, it's edamame, which is a Japanese green soya bean. So I have started these chaoses of I love edamame, and now we're starting with crepes. So that's I love crepes, and we're going pan India, and we're going to be in all the theaters and everywhere else. And it started out of passion because I was eating edamame one day, and I was wondering why it was so scarcely available, and it should be massively available to everybody. And so I started this. So that's just a passion that I do, but it's grown into a full-fledged business.
You're also modern day solutions to make houses, offices, plots, buildings, correct energy for the flow of health, well-being, wealth, and happiness. Numerology practitioner, tarot, a glamorous package of positive energy ratings herself, mother of 2 children, involved in food packaging. Anything else? I just try to put everything
No, I
together
think that's
quickly as
about
possible. Full-time mother, wife, etc., etc., etc. My God, too many
Yeah.
things. I thought.
It's
you ever
really
get tired?
Not at all, no.
You manage. You just switch from one to the other.
Absolutely, it's your state of mind.
And the moment you finish with these clients and stuff, you go run back to the food business.
I don't need to run back anywhere. Everything's on autopilot. You have cell phones today. You have WhatsApp. You have everything there. Really, it's the way you take 24 hours. You can stretch it or you can't.
Thank you for making me feel 7 again. It's a
Yeah.
lovely feeling.
Yeah, so
thank
it's
you
really
so
not
much,
that
Shraddha.
difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shraddha, thank you. You've been a revelation, and I
Thank
hope,
you.
and I'm sure you'll do well and spread the message of good energy. I think that's what you're trying to
Absolutely.
do. It's not about just improve your life, just
And
be
make-
happy
and make the world a more
positive.
positive place.
I think so. Why is there
Yes.
so much negativity in parts of the world? With I won't get into religion and all that, but
It's
you know,
also because everybody is on a different level of the ladder, so their thought is only on the first step. So
But why
you
do
need
people
to.
want to kill other people? Deep down, a lot of us will not be able to ever kill somebody. But so, why does someone reach that position in their life where they want to?
It's again probably
kill
the
strangers.
circumstances, situations, and times of what they have gone through, and then the consequences that come out.
It's a lot of negative energy for
A lot of negative
and a
energy
lot of
out there.
karma, which is like that for a long period of time.
Yes, that's what I said. It's the first step of the ladder. You don't know what they have gone through, So again, coming back to what we discussed first, it's like entwining your fingers, your destiny, your karma, your free will. So we don't know where the destiny is taking them or their karma, and this is their free will. They choose to do it because probably something else is overtaking them to do so. Yeah. So let's try and change half the percentage of the world this year.
I'm staying here.
in this life.
I'm
and then-
scared of foreigners. I'm not leaving. I'm staying right here.
Yeah.
Shraddha, thank you so much.
Thank you so
We wish you
much.
all the best. But before you go, we have what is called the AMA.
Okay.
Where a lovely lady called May comes in and asks questions.
Okay.
And please don't answer all of them because she's getting it all for free.
If you have any questions for Cyrus, write to us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Or you can send an email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
AMA with me.
Hi,
Hi, May.
another AMA.
Another AMA, but this is very interesting. Not that the others won't, but
Yeah.
Shraddha is
Okay.
like this energy source. She guides you, basically. She's like guide is a good word, actually.
Guides
so she
me to
guides you
what?
to find your positivity and your positive energy various ways.
What
Don't
kind of
get into
energy
that.
do I have?
No, God, we can't do that now. We can't
Oh,
do
can
that
we
now.
not?
No.
No? You can't tell me what energy I have?
Of course I
But
can.
you
he's
got
allowed
positive
us
energy.
to.
You're always
He's
friendly
answering
and
it.
happy. So
He's answering it.
Yeah, you are.
Aw, I'm friendly,
But
happy.
I don't have to be heard to
Thanks,
pick that
guys.
up. You're always friendly.
No, I
and-
think he's waiting for an introduction of what I do. So I basically work with energies. I'm a life coach.
Mm-hmm.
I also work
Life
with the
coach is
power
good.
of I also work with the power of your mind,
Mm-hmm.
where I teach you manifestation and the difference and how to become a more positive person and fall in love with yourself, which he already knows very well.
Yeah.
And then
So
there are
what about
and
me?
then
How
there
do I
are
get more positive than this?
yes, and then there are external sciences like numerology, tarot, vastu, which I follow.
Okay,
Yeah, but
cool.
the point is that in your case, it's pretty clear. You're exuberant and friendly and this and that. What
Thanks,
about those
yeah.
people who are hold back a lot? Those are the tougher ones.
Toughies.
Some of us are slightly louder personalities. You can
so
tell.
that's how we can change it. That's when if they come to me, I mean, we sit across the table and we kind of try.
So
and
we have to
change
see
it.
you after marriage. Then we'll know. Because right now you're
Who
happy.
told you I'm getting married?
You said. But now let's do AMA. Go on.
Anyway, okay, so I had gotten one question. This is sort of to Cyrus, but you can answer it too. Which was your favorite Beatles album?
No, that's a tough one. I like all the Beatles albums. Magical Mystery Tour would be my lowest.
Your lowest. What's
but-
like sort of veering towards the top?
But when I say lowest, it's just relative. Yeah.
Oh,
But
they're
with
all
the
at the
Beatles, all the older albums, Sgt. Pepper's,
was my
Abbey Road,
favorite.
it's tough.
tough.
Red album, the blue album, the white album, part 2, all. I love
Are you
the
just like
Beatles.
naming all their albums and you're like,
Yeah.
everything?
I think it's also moment and mood.
Yeah, exactly.
The moment, the
Oh,
These are
place,
that's
very,
and the
also
mood.
true.
these are very difficult questions because they're always perspective. It
Yeah.
can't just be one
Yeah.
thing. Who's your favorite song?
Yeah.
Except wife. Who's your favorite wife? I've always clearly just SMS my wife's name to me quickly. Jeez, I can't remember. But I'm always clear about that.
Yeah,
I'm just kidding.
it's a very relative question.
Yeah. Why do people ask that question? Favorite song? I mean, imagine in your life you listen to
Favorite
40,000
album.
songs
Yeah,
in
that's
7
true.
languages, and then you find your favorite
I-
song.
Favorite song, yeah.
I
You'll have
find it
3 in your
really
head.
hard. It really depends on my mood. I might be like, I don't know. I wanna
Exactly,
listen
you
to,
answered
like-
it. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just.
I'm glad she's here. We get perspective. Otherwise, we have these guests who are so dumb. They answer the question.
I hope they're not hearing that.
No, because sometimes they just do yes or no, and the question isn't a yes or no,
No,
question. It's like,
no.
can you explain the theory of relativity? Yes. That's it.
That's hilarious.
Do you have a question?
I actually have a question for you.
Tell me.
Have you ever had someone who was quite difficult, like someone that you found very difficult, maybe to read or to maybe?
Was it a
maybe-
challenge to get
Yeah.
to somebody's energy level and all that? Ever?
No, it's,
Have you had?
it's,
What was like the
it's-
most challenging case
Okay,
for you?
I'm gonna turn the word for you. It's not been difficult, but one of the most probably one of the sessions out of my 12 years of work where I really didn't know what to answer back was this mother who came who had just after I think 10 years of marriage she'd had her son and then they went on a holiday and he drowned.
Oh, God. You
Yeah.
tell us this.
Oh no.
Yeah, and that was when she came to me to ask me now what. And that was that one day that I was speechless because how do you answer or console that? And then when you have parents coming in with children who say for example I have cancer, or there's there's a 4-year-old girl who's going through brain tumor. These are things that are very difficult to kind of handle. So when someone comes to me telling me that my mother-in-law did this, or my husband is not giving me gifts, I'm like, you really don't know what problems are. Sit across here one day and understand in life you're in a good space, so don't get there, because the day you'll have a problem, all this will seem very small.
So insignificant in comparison. Yeah.
Yes. So those are not difficult,
So
but
now,
yeah.
in light of what we've just heard, my question
Yes.
about how will my skin rash go away is
Yes.
probably not
It's
for
not-
this show and
it's not
this,
show.
this
Yes,
time.
yes.
Where's the
Please.
rash again?
Perhaps not a discussion for today, but clearly not where you can see it.
Okay, there's one more question that I'd gotten. This was really funny, and I have to ask this. You know that Cyrus is a big townie, right?
Yes.
And in all this, someone
Shilpa,
was
you're
like,
Townie? No, you're Olive
I'm
at the band.
completely band right.
okay,
Yeah.
I
so
can tell.
the question was, if you
You're
had to
intuitive.
go to Andheri, like venture all the way
she'll
there,
feel the same
what
pain.
would
Come on.
what would be the reason for you to go there, which would like somehow get
If
you
I'm
there?
leaving on a plane, that's one reason I can think of. No, I apologize to all the suburbanites because this is ridiculous. I mean, it's like racism after a point.
It
It's not even
is.
funny.
So then
But
why
look-
is your office in the
No,
suburbs?
see, I grew up in South Bombay. The kind of people I grew up with, there was no culture of, beyond Juhu, if you had a cousin or something. So Andheri is just completely out of the way, just nobody thought about that. We're all bankers, business families, lawyers, that kind of thing, So you have to think of it.
Likewise, when I'm passing the ceiling, I think I'm taking a visa.
Yes,
to
I
get
know.
there.
So I don't have a problem. My point is that we were brought up to think that this is like a big divide and whatever. And the roads were terrible. Now with the link at the right time, it's not so bad. But the roads were really bad right up to the 90s. And I've worked in the television line and gone to like Goregaon and beyond, Ala Supar and all these places.
Yeah.
And, you might as well just go to Gujarat. Why did we stop?
Yeah.
So it's more to do with that. So it becomes like a mental thing in your head. But
No,
I do
but
get depressed.
exactly what he's saying. It's easier to go to Khandala nowadays and go into
Of
town.
course it is.
Than to go into town
Go into
because it's so
town.
difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
The minute you get into Worli and Haji Ali, they were like totally traffic jam.
Haji Ali and Pedder Road is like a
it's really
disaster.
bad.
We don't go there. We live there, but we don't
Yeah.
go there. We're like, okay, parents, meet us outside.
You catch the expressway and you take off to Khandala or Pune, you reach quicker. Or take a flight and go to Goa, you're there in 40 minutes.
That is also true.
Yeah.
Wow.
You depressed me. She made me happy. My energy was going up. But now this
Did I
traffic
ruin-
and this and how I take
I
45
did.
minutes.
You know
She
to
what?
asked you the question.
No, that's what she's saying.
No,
I ruined the mood.
But this is why my
I'll
pals,
give you a hug. Will
my
a hug
my
help?
suburban pals ask us all the time, but we do feel pain because of the way we were brought up about this. It's a difficult thing to get over.
Really?
This whole idea of why didn't I just get a job in Nariman Point like everybody else? Of course,
What?
many of them have now disappeared because the recession hit the financial markets, but that's another story
Yeah.
for another day. Shraddha, thank you so much. I
Thank
know you've got
you.
lots of things to do. She's a hardworking person, by the way. So it doesn't fit into our line of work.
Casual day.
We just talk.
Wait, is this because I'm an 8?
You're a lovely 8. And remember, the higher thing, if you reach for the stars, you can reach the stars. The problem is you're not reaching for the stars.
The day I'm on a sick leave, Cyrus is taking over. He's
only-
doing it.
I
He's doing
know.
such a
I
brilliant
have a vague
job.
idea about 8, 1,
Yeah,
and
1.
7.
Yeah.
I'm really struggling with the
No,
rest.
you know about 2, the Baywatch?
Yeah, the
Of
Baywatch,
course
the
you know
moon, the
about
moon.
two, yes.
The moon's
Hey, I don't get Baywatch on number 8.
no, it's not
I
that
don't get
simple.
Baywatch, your number 8 is on a channel.
Yeah.
It's like talking to a plant. What are you saying?
Hey,
It's a very complex
know,
thing.
I'm
She's
really,
studying for
really
years.
pretty
you know my
bland,
9
okay?
cooking your finger
Yeah.
in the fire. He
right,
knows so
right,
much.
9
And
is
Venus.
Agni, very
and
important.
Venus.
Fire.
Venus.
And
Hey,
Venus
no
is
one's telling
6.
me
my other
about,
number.
like,
Yeah.
what about 8?
What's
Like,
your full number? Like when you add all your numbers together, what's the number that comes out?
It's
Call
called
his
number.
destiny number.
Your destiny number. What's your destiny
What's the
number?
destiny? What's the
Hey,
destiny
Baba,
number?
supposing all your numbers, 8, 1974, 5th, whatever, add those numbers.
Wait,
You're a
1985
Manu, you should do it in like a second.
plus, I'm going to count on my fingers now. 1, 9, 8, 5, 10, 18, 18, 19, 20.
This is the slowest Manu
23!
I have ever met in my life.
23 plus 8 is
31.
31.
3 and 1, 4.
Okay. What about December?
You didn't
12.
put 12 in?
No,
Now
I
we're going to
put
start all
12
over
in.
again.
31.
This is a challenge.
It's already 5 o'clock in the evening. We know that.
43. That's
You must
7.
be having
supposed to be a half an hour
you must you must be having a time limit
I
for
have
stupid
clients,
guests.
I have
you must- if
clients.
you're really stupid, no positive energy can help. That's rule number
laughing
7.
at
That's when we have a calculator, here. Total it.
You forgot to put December.
I forgot about December.
You spend lakhs of rupees on a.
You guys, I don't know what you guys have been talking about destiny numbers and
the
8s
worst
and
bakra ever.
12s.
You gave the wrong number. How can you do that?
Because you
No,
guys
she's so
are not telling
innocently
me what I'm
doing it.
supposed
That's
to
the beauty of
do.
it. She's so innocent.
That's
She's so
hilarious.
innocently doing it. That's
It'd
lovely.
be a great sitcom.
Cyrus, you're the terrible teacher. You cannot explain anything.
But you can't give the wrong number.
I'm gonna give a wrong number if I didn't know what the
Your
number was.
destiny number is your date of birth, your month, and your year.
And
the
you-
total of it all.
And you add them in that sequence, right?
No, you can add them in any sequence. You'll still get the same
Wait a
number.
second,
What's wrong with you?
You can
That
add them
is
in
a
any
dumbass thing to
sequence.
ask.
It's
That's a
not
whole
like
Give me
you're
a full
doing
number, give me a full
fractions.
number.
It's not like you're doing
12
fractions.
plus 17 is 29. 29 plus 23. So 29 plus 23 is
2 plus 23.
2
7.
5, 7, yeah. So you're a 7 as your full number, and you're an 8. You're an 8, 7. 8, 7, right?
Yeah.
What's 8 7?
That'll take us a complete
No,
1
you
hour
can't.
more.
Okay, that's it. Bye-bye. Cyrus says it's finished. We can't do this anymore. Okay, catch us on iTunes, SoundCloud, Stitcher, Beyond Pod, any of the podcasting apps. Please, we beg you, we need you. If you have any questions, write to us online, and you can mail us as well. We will answer. We have a doctor in the house called me.
And that's what Cyrus says.
After India, Australia, after South Africa, England, after Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, coming soon, the Empowering Series, the series to end all series. That's right. Zarina Poonawalla talks to Amit Doshi about how to become a great boss. As in, Amit has to become a better boss. She's already a great boss. Check out new episodes on our IVM podcast apps. Also, you can find them on SoundCloud, iTunes, Stitcher, etc. Not etc., but etc. Happy listening, and fathers.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out IVM Podcasts to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.